Blue White is proud to introduce Flex-A-Prene, a new heavy-duty multi-channel pump tube assembly designed exclusively for the FlexPro peristaltic metering pump. Flex-A-Prene is uniquely engineered and designed for optimum performance and pressure capability. With unmatched tube life, 4 times longer than conventional design, precise flow rate, and high chemical resistance, this new tube design cuts down on pump maintenance and cost. Flex-A-Prene retrofits into all current FlexPro model pumps. The Flex-A-Prene tubing was thoughtfully engineered using the design concept that smaller tube diameter and thicker tube walls increase life expectancy. By utilizing a dual-channel construction, Flex-A-Prene remains capable of high flow rate at high pressures. Fluid enters the tube through a single inlet adapter, at which point the fluid divides into the dual channel. A single roller assembly then squeezes the dual tube. The stronger new clampless fittings are mechanically spin welded onto the tubing unit, making a clean, seamless connection. 5 variations in fittings are offered, including half-inch male NPT, barb fitting, 3/8-inch tube compression, tri-clamp, and quick disconnect. Through years of field testing and listening to our customers' needs, we have printed the model number not only on the fitting, but also on the tubing itself for easy identification. These permanently printed model numbers can be viewed through the pump head cover while the pump is running, making for quick and easy recognition and reorder. We have also redesigned the pump head cover to magnify the model number for easy viewing. There are multiple patents pending for the innovations behind this pump tube design. Feel free to contact Blue White or your local rep for more information. Also, you can view more on our website.